Dino Debari Life Stories. Seatbelts on, let's go! DeBary's a playful dino. He plays around even when riding in a car. He jumps on the seat
Haha, so fun!
and he waves his hand out the window.
Hey everyone!
He never stops playing around.
Wow! Hey, it's a sea!
DeBary, you should wear your seatbelt.
I don't wanna. It's uncomfortable. DeBary acted up, and his parents were not pleased. DeBary's younger sister, Dede, is very demanding. She constantly whines while riding in a car. She whines because she doesn't want to sit in her car seat.
Come on, Dede.
And because she doesn't want to wear the seatbelt.
Wear your seatbelt,
She never
Dede.
stops whining.
Dede.
No, I don't like this.
Dede, you should sit in your seat.
I don't want to.
Dede.
Even DeBary's sister, Dede, doesn't listen to her parents. Her parents were worried for her.
Dede, come on.
Let me go. No.
I'll let you on the seat. I'll give you a rabbit back. Dede.
DeBary was also worried for his sister. It's more dangerous if they get in an accident and she's not wearing a seatbelt.
Oh no. What should I do?
DeBary thought in concern.
It would be very dangerous if we got in an accident.
No, Carson.
Hey, Dede, look at me. Haha,
DeBary sat right on her car seat.
look at what I'm doing. See? Yeah, it's so comfortable.
Dede tilted her head in curiosity.
Really?
Look here. Isn't it cool?
DeBary?
Yeah, you try this.
Really comfy?
DeBary carefully lifted his sister onto her car seat.
Here you go. See? Wow, you're sitting just like me. You're just like me.
Me too. Me too.
Dede laughed jovially.
Yeah. Now we can go.
Now we can go.
Dede, look at me. See?
DeBary put his seatbelt on until it clicked.
Doesn't this look cool?
Dede nodded her head.
You want to try?
Looks cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Here, I'll show you.
DeBary carefully put the seatbelt over his sister Dede.
See, like this.
Thank you.
There you go. Wow! You put on a seatbelt just like me.
Me too. Me too.
Dede clapped out loud.
I like seatbelt.
Just like me. Brother and sister. All right, let's go!
Let's go.
Yeah!
Dede repeated after DeBary. Their mother and father smiled in delight upon seeing the two wonderful siblings.
Good kids. Okay,
Yes.
now let's go.
Oh, hope there's no traffic jam.